Now let us learn to create functions which are called overloaded functions because they have similar name, same name in fact, but different behavior based on the parameters passed and other things. Number of parameters could also be a reason. Say, since we are talking of function or method overloading, function and methods is basically same thing in a class. So let us create a class. Say I am writing a function to add two numbers, and in this class let us write some public functions. Okay, let us write a function which returns a integer of two integers, addition of two integers, right? And this basically returns a plus b. Simple. Similarly, we'll write another add function with parameter as double, not integer. So if a parameter is double, so we'll have to write another function because these things are very much data type intensive. C++ needs to check for data type, but we can write another function, and this will be called overloaded functions because they have same name but different functions called based upon whatever data type I use. I'll prove this to you. Just let us use this. Add a as a class object. This is my class name, this is my object name. Okay, now I'll use this function a dot add, say 2, 3, two integers, and L, and also I use a dot because I am using the same object, but now I am using say 3.5, 4.0, some fractional values, and L. So basically when this is used, this function will be used, and when this is used, this will be used, although they have the same name. But based on the parameter types, this will select which one to use. Let me save this and run it to see if they make the things. Yes, this should be inside this. Yes, because otherwise I could have written it like this also. The way we write normal functions like this. Just to save space, I wrote it like this. But sometime writing in a line, I may incur some errors. That's why only experts use that kind of thing. Now we'll run this again. Yeah, it is giving me 5 and 7. Why 5 and 7? 3.5 plus this should work for a double function. It is working only like a add function. Yes, why it is working like this is that I returned a value, the integer. It should be a double value, then only it will be able to return the double value. Let us work it now. So while programming, you are also learning what kind of errors can come. So now it is first case returning 5 and second case returning 7.5. So definitely it is using a different function. And we can also check it by, say, if I use this, this should return a plus b plus 1. That means 6 for that and 7.5 for that. So it is confirmed that it is using this one. And here also plus 1. So I'll confirm that it is using that the second function 8.5. So that is confirmed that our desired overloaded functions are being used based on the parameters. In fact, overloading can also be based on number of parameters. Suppose a function with 2 parameters and a function with 1 parameter can also be there. That depends upon the case, for what purpose we are using. So basically this is a powerful technique, and this is one kind of polymorphism in C++, where same thing exists in two formats. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.